Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. I hope you guys are having a good day. I got asked a question about my digital prints that are on my Etsy. If you're interested, I have new stuff up on my Etsy. It will be linked up here. When the video is done, you'll see a little green E and it'll be linked down below. But I got asked, what do you do with the mixed media papers or the printouts? So I just want to show you very quickly. Okay, so if you guys remember, I did this journal page, the Be Happy, and so they're up. It's up for digital download on my Etsy for $4, and it's this size. It's in color, okay, which you can print out and use just as is, or something else that you can do is you can shrink it in your Photoshop. You can use GIMP, G-I-M-P, which is free. You can use PicMonkey, Adobe, whatever you have. I shrunk it. And then what I did was I'm obsessed with my gel pens lately. And so I used a gel pen, as you can see, and acrylic paint, and I just painted it in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut her out, and I'm going to cut the wings off. So first what I like to do is I like to go around. And she looks nothing like this in my art journal. I can't find, I think it might be over there. I'll look. So I can show you what she looked like and what she looks like when you print her out. I thought it was in here, but I guess it's not. And you can color this or paint this, whatever color. This is the biggest question I get. This is just an inkjet printer on printer paper. Now, if you want to print it out to keep, use some, you can print it out on this, but you can also get, I gotta take my glasses off because I can't see. You can also get printer paper. You can get it at your local Walmart or even your craft stores sell them. You can get it there. You can get cardstock and print on that if you want a little heavier, and then you can frame it or, whatever you want to do with it. The only thing you can't do is this and then sell it. You can use it for your own private use. You can use it in your art journals. You can use it in collage, whatever you want to do, but it can't be sold. And that's the same with the mixed media papers. You get 10 mixed media papers for $4, I believe, and there's 2 different packs you can pick from, and I'll be putting up new packs all the time. And over on Patreon, if you support me for $10 a month, you get a free 10-pack of the mixed media papers, different every month, for your patronage, which I appreciate. So yeah. Okay, so just trimming up there. And okay, so I'm gonna do this real quick. And this is just a page that I told you guys, I can't get that paper off. I told you guys I've just been painting over pages that I hated. And so I thought I could put her there or put her there. I'm kind of digging so she stands out. Okay, so let me grab and see. I'm sorry, my dogs are barking. I really am. As soon as I get on the to record, they bark. Okay, here we go. So here's what she looks like. That's what I did in my art journal page. I'll link that as well at the end of the video and down below. And what I did was I shrunk her into this. I didn't even know I painted her the same color dress. How funny, but you don't have to. You can do whatever you want. And I painted her hair blue, and I added a little, with the gel pens, a little jewelry and different lips. And I just kind of like, I don't know, kind of formed her different, and shrunk her. And this is what you can do. And all the different sizes. You can also, which I'm going to be putting up, but you can, make paper dolls. You can all kinds of stuff. So this is what I have. And like I said, inkjet, all that good stuff. And I'm going to take some Mod Podge paper very quickly, so I don't keep you guys here forever. And I'm gonna just paint this. You can use this on ATC cards, you can use this on tags, you can use this on whatever you want. And I'm just gonna layer there, and you can continue her dress, you can, you know. And then I just kind of go in and push her down. Now you can use Mod Podge matte as well as decoupage, your white school glue, whatever you have. And I just layer down. You can use your, oh, what is it called? Your glue dots. You know, so yeah, so very quickly. Okay. And there, now look what I did. I smeared. So I'll just kind of do that and get that out. Of course I did. My dog has me like trying to hurry up because all the barking and all. I know you guys really don't like that. Okay. But don't worry, that's not a big deal because you just go back in with your paint and touch it up. And we are, there we go. Okay. I'll just go in, and this is my Folk Art Skin, it's light flesh, but use whatever you have. You could do it white, you could do them brown, you can do them cocoa colored. And you see, you do it a little neater than me, but it'll touch it up and it is not a big deal. And I'll dry real quick, and then you guys can see. So it's very simple. I have a lot of things up there. So you definitely can use these on ATCs or art journaling. Okay. It never fails as soon as I do this, but ta-da, there you go. Same thing, and look how different it looks. So I'm digging her hair. I wish I could wear my hair like that, but let me know what you guys think down below, and if you use them in any type of way, please share it with me. I would love to see it, and as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.